Today I'm going to talk to you about positive affirmations. Some people also call these mantras. Basically, it is a phrase that you repeat over and over and over in order to bring yourself comfort and calm and soothe yourself. And it can be anything you want it to be, but what you want to do is you want to think about that phrase when you're feeling calm and comfortable. So you're going to come up with a really short, it should be succinct, it should not be that many words, and it should be something that you feel is true and honest and that you can conjure up when you need it and you're not feeling very well. So I'll give you a few in case you can't figure out where you want to start. Some people use the positive affirmation, I have what I need. I have what I need. And some people say to themselves, my team is strong. My team is strong. Another affirmation or mantra might be, I'm doing my best. And those are three examples that you could use, but really the important part is for you to figure out what statement, what affirmation, what mantra works for you in order to make yourself feel better when you're up against an obstacle. So the tip of the day is positive affirmations and mantra, and you're going to come up with your own that's individualized when you're feeling well enough to do that. And when you need it, you'll repeat it as many times as you can or need to in order to change your own personal channel so that you can keep on going. Thanks for spending time with me. It's always a pleasure. I'm caring for all of you and so appreciative of all the work that you're doing. I'll see you next time with the next tip. Bye.